Customs Border Patrol has already arrested over 100 people in immigration raids in Charlotte, North Carolina. Here's what you need to know about them and what to do if you or a loved one are targeted. Now, the legal reality is that Border Patrol operates within 100 miles of a border or coastline. And when they do that, they operate with expanded law enforcement authority that other law enforcement agencies don't have. Within that perimeter, Customs Border Patrol can operate checkpoints that can require any motorist to stop and without reasonable suspicion. They can also board buses, for example, for immigration inquiries. But once agents are outside of that 100-mile perimeter, they cannot stop people without reasonable suspicion, set up checkpoints, or detain random pedestrians, or do warrantless searches. So if they're making stops without cause, that would be a constitutional violation. So it's really important that the community in Charlotte pay really close attention to what's going on, because whether they're operating legally depends on the specifics of how things are playing out. And if you're approached or stopped, here are the essentials that you have to know. You do not have to answer questions about your immigration status. You do not have to open the door to your home to ICE agents or CBP officials unless they have a signed judicial warrant. You can ask if you're free to go, and if the answer is yes, you calmly walk away. Do not run or do not provide fake documents. Both will make things worse. Now, if you or your loved one get detained, especially if you're somebody who came into the US without a visa or without inspection, getting bond to be released is extremely difficult. Recent case law and policies are that people who entered in this way should not be given a bond. But that does not mean there's no options. Habeas petitions, or petitions you can file in federal court, are a potential way to get released from immigration detention. These are working in some cases, so it's really important to get informed and sound legal advice. That will help ensure that you get the best possible outcome in your case. For more immigration news and information, feel free to give us a follow.